Hello traders, in today's video I'll be giving you a tip for differs, okay? Because most people believe they cannot become profitable with differs, but when you implement these things, you'll forever become profitable in differs. The first thing, never predict differs for digit 0 and 9. Whenever you see 0 or 9 has the red circle or the red circle, do not predict it as differs. The main reason is because anytime you're trading differs, especially with a bot, 0 and 9 will end up being predicted a lot of times. Okay, so whenever you're trading differs, please avoid predicting 0 and 9, all right, as the differs number. The other thing, anytime you will see the number of with the red circle or the differs number increasing in percentage with even 0.1, get out of that market. Now what happens is that whenever the differs number gains power, it ends up being predicted a couple of times. And remember, one loss in differs requires 11 times your stake to recover it. So anytime you will see the number with the red circle or the least number increasing in percentage with even 0.1%, don't trade that volatility, look for a new one. Okay, and the other thing, ensure the red circle and the green circle, or the red percentage and the green percentage has a difference of at least 3 numbers. There should be 3 numbers between the red circle and the green circle. Okay, so let's say the red circle is at 2, the green circle should be 3 numbers away. That is at 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. There should be a 3 number difference. The main reason for this is because the numbers are near the green circle or near the green percentage end up being predicted. So if differs, the number with the least number, the number with the red circle or the red percentage is near the green circle, it will end up being predicted. And again, one loss in differs is a killer. It will end up messing you badly, okay? So again, that is something that you don't want, all right? Yeah, so be careful with differs. You can actually become profitable in differs if you take it seriously. And in differs, never be tempted to risk your whole account unless you can risk to lose it, okay? If you have a small account, let's say $5, and you're starting out, don't go risking your whole account in differs because the profits are low. Don't do that. Risk an amount you can afford to lose. Only risk your whole account if you can be able to recover it, what can I say? To reimburse that account, or if you can just afford to lose it. Okay? But if you cannot afford to lose it, please don't trade it, okay? You'll end up being messed badly. All right, yeah, so take these tips into account. They will really help you out. First tip, ensure you never predict differs for digit 0 and 9. Ensure the least number or the number with the red percentage or the number with the red circle is not increasing in percentage. It should be stagnant or decreasing. And again, ensure the difference between the green circle and the red circle is 3 numbers or more. And once you implement those, you will be profitable in differs. Differs is okay. Differs is actually a very good market, but you have to actually be careful on how you are trading it. Okay? And again, ensure you have enough capital. It will really help you out as a trader. Okay? Yeah, and guys, for anyone who subscribes, you get 2 free bots. So ensure you subscribe. Take a screenshot and send it to the number in the description. You get your 2 free bots to help your trading journey. And for anyone who needs trading bots and documents containing various trading strategies, WhatsApp me. And again, classes are ongoing. WhatsApp if interested. But apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching, and let us meet in the next one.